Okay, we're getting ready to go in the Zodiac. Folks are going down there. So, yeah, I gotta put the camera away here in a minute. On the Zodiac here, so we're gonna be taking off here pretty soon. So, gotta watch the other folks on board, but we're here. Okay. Okay, we're departing the ship. Ship is in back of us here.
Okay,
we're going up
ashore
to that front spot up there. That's where we're headed over there. We gotta climb all those steps to get up to the top. Coming back down won't be too bad, but there's a lot of rest stops on the way up, so it shouldn't be too bad then.
Yeah.
So there it is.
Get your ring going. Another sea lion.
Yeah, there it is. There's a ladder we gotta climb and hanging on there for dear life and everything and whatnot. Yeah, there it is. I gotta put the camera away now because
we don't always have the luxury of being able to land because sometimes this, as you can tell, that ladder can get a little tricky. And we were really blessed with a very calm day because sometimes if the swell is significant, we can't even approach the island. We don't have the option of having guests hike. We do Zodiac tours solely. So I'm feeling really, really lucky this morning to be stepping foot on Anacapa. We're gonna head up the steps. This is the casual hike, and my name is Lee. And
we got Mr. Seagull up there, all these little caves and everything. Here's our ship out there, and we're still climbing. So I got lots more steps to go. Gotta take my time here. Okay. Not too often here where you get. There's a few young people on this trip, but.
yeah. Oh, these.
All right, we're going up the trail. I think we got a 200-foot elevation gain. Okay, well, memory goes too, you know. All right, picking them up, putting them down. Shadow Man is here. Shadow Man making his appearance in the Channel Islands here. Gotta watch my step. It's a little rocky here. All right, we got the seagulls, I believe. I think they're seagulls making some noise there. Coming up here, flying overhead. Yeah, there's a ship out there, another boat coming in. Okay. Well, I have to put the name of this island that we're on at the bottom of the screen here so you know what it is. Okay, I get back on the trail now. Coming up on a nest here. Let me get out of here. So there's one is here. There's three eggs in there. Yeah. There's the 3 eggs standing there. You can see them. And there are 3 good-sized eggs in there. Yeah. Please. That's why she's screaming at us. Okay, we're on our way here. We're on our way. Well, heading up to the lighthouse up ahead here. It's a little uphill, but everything going back is all going to be downhill. So I can just like gravity just like pull me back down then. So, all right, gotta keep my eye on the trail here. Trail gets a little narrow in spots here. So I have to already have one guy trip and fall, but he got right back up. So that was a warning. Like, watch your step here. Oh, you're a little overgrown here. It looks like I got long pants on, so hopefully I don't get any bugs or chiggers or thorns here.
Correct.
Well, there's the lighthouse. This is as close as we can get.
Yeah.
In case they sound a horn, we don't want our ears, our old ears, messed up. So there's our trusty ship, the Quest. And there's from whence we came. You see all the steps down there, and way down the bottom we had to climb the ladder, and we went all the way up there to those buildings there. Came up along this trail. You can still see 1 or 2 people down on the trail here. So yeah, M1 Man Travel, bringing you stuff from around the world here, you know. Got to do it for you. If you would like to be a subscriber, we could always use more subscribers here. I'm trying to get to 1,000, so maybe you could help me out here. Okay, let's get back and tour some stuff here. Okay, heading back down. Yeah, I gotta put the camera away because a lot of tripping hazards here, but good old gravity's helping out quite a bit. So it's just so much better going down and coming up. A little windy up here too, so maybe I'm glad I got the little spongy thing on the GoPro here, so you don't have to listen to that wind. All right. There's the original Fresnel lens. The lighthouse is all automated now, but you've seen these a lot of times. The wonders from just a little flame light inside of there that would shine so brightly for many miles here. It's a work of art that they make these things here. So yeah, there it is. And you can see the bulb in there. I don't know if you can see it very well. This one actually looks like it has a bulb in there, electrical bulb, not a flame one. If you can see it in there. It's a little hard to see through the lens, but it's there. Okay. Well, I should have brought my passport here because I could have stamped it here with a stamp.
Well, you can take a blank
Take
piece
one
of
of
paper.
those.
Yeah.
Well, there's no blanks, but there's some that are on there, but not the same.
No, it isn't.
I'd lose that, you know, so. But anyhow, all right. Well, here's a little map here. I'm going to have to change the battery here in a second. But we landed here at Landing Cove, climbed the ladder, walked the steps, and came back up here. And we walked up to the lighthouse. We didn't walk right up to it, up to the point where you can't walk any further. But this is all uphill, so it's all going to be downhill going back on the island. So that's where we are. And the ship is like right out here somewhere. Okay. Here's the visitor center, Anacapa Island. I forget if we're on the east one or the west one. I think she said it was the east one. But a little visitor center in there, no gift shop, picnic tables if you want to picnic. The breeze picking up now, so maybe it was good that we got here a little bit earlier this morning where there really wasn't any wind. But I'm still adjusting my shirt, took my little fleece jacket off. It's a little cool, but out in the sun it's nice. Here are all the gulls here, nesting season, so they got nests and eggs all over the place here. So now we're going to get back to the Zodiacs, go back down the steps, back down the ladder, and do a little Zodiac cruise. I think I might put my jacket on for that. Okay. I don't know how close I can get to this guy here without him flying away. I'm going to kind of creep up on him. There's campgrounds here. He's going to take flight any moment here, I think. Looks like he's perching himself, getting ready. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Okay. Oh well, I tried. We got the gulls here. Our ship out there. Okay. A lot of them sitting on nests and everything too here. There's some of our Zodiacs down there. Now, if people are going to wave to us or not here. If they see us, do I get a wave? I get a wave. Get a wave. No. People are asleep. No. Hello. 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 Nobody waving. I'm up here. I'm waving to you. You can wave back to me. Wouldn't kill you. No, no. I guess they're looking at the ladder or something there. I don't know what. But we gotta head back down there. Okay. There's our stairs going back down here. Still gotta be careful going back down too. There was our ladder that we had to climb up there and then get to the stairs. Now the backpacks are coming down on a rope and manhandling and woman handling them to get them down here. So there we go. Came down that ladder. Okay. Backpacks coming down the rope here. There we go. A lot of valuable stuff in there.
All right.
Water.
Cotopaxi.
Okay. Okay, we're heading back out from there's our stairs, the stairway to heaven up there. And we're bidding farewell to them. Nobody's going to wave to us. Nobody waved. Oh, we got one wave there. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.